Welcome to Worlds Within Worlds. Bacteria are microscopic, single-celled organisms that are ubiquitous in our environment. They're incredibly diverse, with millions of different species existing in a vast array of habitats, from the depths of the ocean to the scorching hot springs. Despite their tiny size, bacteria play crucial roles in ecosystems. They break down organic matter, recycle nutrients, and form essential symbiotic relationships with plants and animals. While many bacteria are harmless or beneficial, some can cause diseases in humans, animals, and plants. However, it's important to remember that the vast majority of bacteria are not pathogenic. In fact, our bodies harbor trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the microbiome, which play a vital role in digestion, immune function, and overall health. Thank you for watching.